if you're experiencing login errors with your Google account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router if needed. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted cache or cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by going into the Settings or Preferences menu, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially those related to privacy or security, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Google app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update to the latest version and try logging in once more. If you continue to experience issues after following these steps, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.